What if I told you there are AI tools that can literally make you money while you sleep? No complex stock charts, no constant monitoring, just smart AI doing the hard work for you. And no, this isn't a get-rich-quick scam. These tools are being used right now by smart investors to build passive income streams, without lifting a finger. Today, I'll show you 5 AI-powered investing tools that are making people financially free. And trust me, number 1 is an absolute game changer. The investing world is changing. AI is now analyzing markets thousands of times faster than humans can. Some hedge funds even rely entirely on AI, outperforming human traders by up to 5 times. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro to use these tools. First up, trade ideas. If you're into stocks but struggle to spot winning trades, this AI is about to change your game. It scans thousands of stocks per second, analyzing patterns and giving you high-probability trade alerts before anyone else notices. And if you don't have time to trade manually, it can even trade for you. Crypto never sleeps. But lucky for you, Pionex does the work for you. This AI trading bot automatically buys low and sells high, 24/7. No emotions, no panic selling, just AI making smart trades for you. Real estate investing without buying physical property? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what Lofty AI does. For as little as $50, you can buy fractional ownership in rental properties handpicked by AI. Every day, you earn rental income without the headaches of being a landlord. Ever wished for a personal investment coach? Meet Magnify. This AI acts like your own financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. Just tell it your goals, and it will build a custom investment plan for you. It's like having Warren Buffett in your pocket. What if ChatGPT could manage your money? That's FinChat AI. Just type in any stock, ETF, or crypto name, and boom, it gives you instant investing insights. AI that answers financial questions in seconds? This is next-level investing. AI investing isn't the future, it's happening right now. If you're not using these tools, you're leaving money on the table. Want more AI investing hacks? Hit like and subscribe now.